What we got here today is a 2010 Toyota Camry with the power steering return line leaking. You see it dripping there, drip drip. There's a coated line, but the line rusted inside the coating. The coating probably got chipped, and the rust started. Once it got rusted inside of that coating, there's just no stopping it. So we're going to change it this line. It goes from you can't really see it. Sorry. It starts back there. So all the way up along the frame. All the way up along the frame. And takes a turn. Yeah, takes a turn up there. Goes up a little ways, a couple inches. Yeah, there you go. Not a big repair, but definitely one that's needed. Thanks. Have a great day.